Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sanya Rizvi. Today we are going to do a quick backpack video. As you know, the COVID-19 was there in our India and we could not travel along, but now it's over in most of the city. I know we have not got rid from it, but still I'm getting this video for you to get how to pack your bag when you are traveling somewhere. So let's start with our video. So this is my backpack. As you could see, it has three chains. Basically this one is a small chain, okay, another one is this and another one is this, okay. So first I think we should go with this chain. So I keep my sanitizer in it. As you know, this is the most important thing in this period of the time which we are facing. So this is a sanitizer which I am keeping so that it would not get messed with anything else. I should get it fast, and very important thing, so it should be up on your first chain. So another chain, another thing, I've kept some pens because wherever you go, you could, I think you need to some sign, some document or have anything, you should have some pens with you. If one is not working, you should have at least two pens with you. Another thing I am having is this loose currency. As you could see, this loose currency helps you wherever you travel, so it helps you in many things. I guess you should carry some loose currency also with you, okay. Then another, I have some refreshing vibe. This is a vibe which has such a nice fragrance, so wherever you go, you got some sweat or anything, so you could use it, so that you could wipe your sweat or use it before eating if you're not sanitizer or wash areas not available there, so you could use this. So let's go to the another chain. So in another chain is main and most important thing, sorry, this is a makeup pouch. You should carry a small makeup pouch only if you, but if you would carry a big makeup pouch, it would be a threat only. If the bag is being theft or it is being lost, it would be a wrong thing only. So guys, you should carry small thing, and guys, if you could see, you should have very less thing in it, and the thing should be not more costly, because if it would be get theft, you would create a great problem. So let's go with the next thing, is a comb. You should always carry a comb in your bag so that wherever you go, if your hair are messy or they got just improperly or not proper, so the comb would help you there. These are my sunglasses which I carry everywhere. So if you would see, these are it's a sunglasses case, because if your sunglasses, you go anywhere, if you are not feeling or your sun is so harsh, you could use them. So keep it in your normal traveling bag. If you will keep your suitcase, you could forget, so you should use in your traveling bag. Another thing is a wallet. As you could see, I am carrying a small wallet, not a big wallet, as it's very necessary. So guys, you should carry very needy things, like not more than 2 credit or debit cards or ATM card. You should carry your ID with you all the time, because if the ID is not available, you could have some problem. And carry all your documents like PAN card and all. So guys, if please, wherever are you going, so carry these copies, don't carry the real ones, and copy this. As you could see, these are also the copies, but they look like real, so copy them, because if once they have been gone, it take a long process to be recovered. So use something like that, and use your whatever money. Don't carry large amount of cash in it. Carry loose currencies, some good heavy currencies, and carry credit and debit card less only, don't carry more. So next, another things are wipes. These are facial wipes. Wherever you feel, you could use them whenever time. These are also wipes only. And guys, the most important thing, this is a girls based video, so you should carry your sanitary napkin with you only, because if you get periods anywhere, so it could be very beneficial for you. And the next thing is this is a sanitizer which is in the form of spray bottle, in the spray. So you could use it if you are buying something from the other place. It could be very dangerous if you take it like that only. So you should carry this bottle with you, so whenever you take anything you should spray it, then sanitize it, then only take it. So this is a spray bottle. Last but not least guys, carry if you are having wired earphones, so carry it with you in your bag. If you would keep somewhere else, I think that would get messy more. So guys, let's take a quick review of the things which we are taking for our travel. So guys, this is your sanitizing bottle, these are your facial wipes, these are your goggles, this is your makeup pouch, this is the must, your sanitizer, this is some pens, or you could say anything, pens or your main things, a comb, some loose currency, a one more wipe, a sanitary napkin, your wallet, and your AirPods. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This is Sanya RSV. Before going, if you have not liked, subscribed and shared my video, so do that, and don't forget to comment below what did you like, what did you unlike, and if you want more videos, please say it to me in comments. Thank you and have a great day ahead.